It's busier than I thought it'd be. I'll tell you that much. I thought it'd still be too cold for people. Already?
Yeah.
Which hand? Your left? Oh, right. I always find it's my left, like, clutch finger. My first clutch finger, I should say. Oh, which worst one?
The fourth was on.
Yeah, we'll just take it nice and steady. Obviously, if there's people, we'll shift out of their way rather than them shift out of ours, unless they do. We'll try and be nice off-roaders for once. But,
I'm always nice.
say that again.
I'm always nice.
Always nice. That's some bullshit. What's he done? I think it's his guts pissing him off already. Oh! I thought you'd already almost lost it.
Now the watch twisted.
You what? Oh, that's awful. Well, that felt nasty, that, didn't it? Being outside.
It'd be nice if you ever watched that video.
I haven't been up this way in a little while, to be fair. So, it could get pretty hectic. Though I'm hoping it won't. Not too badly anyway. Nice. Da, 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 da. Under that. Yeah, I've done this lane once or twice on the KLX. They've blocked it now. No, you used to be, well, you never used to be able to, but people used to try. It used to be brilliant. And I have seen people go down that as well. It probably has. I probably wouldn't. Are you actually trying it? I'm going to say. It might be a bit slick on the other side. Oh my god, is he actually trying it? Oh my god, is he actually? There you go. He's going to be stuck down there now. Beautiful. Beautiful. I was like, oh my god, he's going to deck it first try. That's it. Say that again.
I think it's
Yeah, they're a great rock. I think you hit that. Yeah. Yeah, for some reason, don't think I'm going to try it. Not yet.
the bounce was like fucking rocking it, wasn't it?
Oh, wow. Come on, key, go in. There you go. Bloody key didn't want to go in then. Maybe that's some reason. What did he say? I didn't hear him.
Bit cold up there.
Hey, you did well though, getting up that. And I got it on video.
Oh, failing.
Yeah. Yeah. Are you ready? Oh, cows up there, not cold up there. Hello, cows. Don't mind us. Hello, burger. Look at him go. Oh wow. See, I've done this bit a couple of times, I love it. Ah, you put foot down! Beautifully done, beautiful. Slipped it a bit then. No, 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 no. Choose the easy route. Purely because these grips are a bit wide, so they're a bit uncomfortable. Especially with them being heated. Whew. These guys going to the side. Oh, they will go up quite easy if they come. Feels better now, I've softened up my suspension a bit. Tell you that much. Could defo do with some taller risers. Put my foot on the back of the thing. I'll do with angling me levers down a little bit if I want to keep doing this. Not very comfy. You know, back end started sliding. Really should have deflated my tyres a little bit. Oh, really? Still running street pressure. Stop here 5 minutes. Let me shift my bike round here. You go, that's harder. Yeah, I'm glad I decided to switch helmets though, because this one I feel like it's a bit cooler. I guarantee I'd have been whinging on too hot in the other one.
Yeah, I'm a bit mucky.
Yeah. I'll be switching over to that one if I go riding with Georgia. Purely because it's got my mic in it, so I can actually talk to her. No. What were we saying then? Back that way? I need to turn ABS off again. Bloody comes on all the time. Bloody hell. Flipping. Trying to stomp some dirt off. Oh dear. Go on, Chris, you lead. Maybe don't follow his exact line, but bloody hell. Do do do. Cheers. What the hell? Very nice. Bloody hell. Back end got slided in. Cheers, buddy. Gotta look where you're going, Chris. I thought you were going to try for water then. I thought you were going to go in water then. Bloody hell. Oh, that's brilliant. That's great, that. Bloody hell. Bloody hell. That bit was a little squirrelier than it looked like it was. Why not? Oh! That's a great rock, that's in. Put foot down. Oh, he's behind me somewhere. Thought it would. Oh, he neutraled himself. See, I've attempted a bit of proper off-roadiness now on this. You can see this tyre is not super gripper. Oh god, he's actually going to try it. Should have just kill switched it. Oh yeah. Yeah, you didn't quite get the right angle there, did you? I'm glad I got that on video. I'll make sure to send you videos later.
That's all funny.
No, but this weighs a lot more. Do do do. Ooh, listen to that chain slap. I want to be over that side. Out of all these fancy bits. Yeah, probably. Alright, bud. Na 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 na. Happy enough? Yeah. Not bad, too bad. Would it? I've got water up as high as your bike is. Beautiful.